not over yet. We still got something. Not over yet. Not over yet.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, west-central Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 2:30 p.m. At 2:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Cambridge, or 8 miles northeast of Stoughton, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Stairs might be going
Mobile
north.
homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lake Mills, Waterloo, Deerfield, Cambridge, Lake Ripley, Utica, and Rockdale. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
No tornado sirens. All right. Close enough to my area, though.